And we are on air.
Hi guys, my name is Brianna, and today we're going to a car wash. The whole family's here. Aiden, say hi.
Hi.
Wyatt, say hi. Mom. Hi. Dad.
Hi.
And I thought I'd bring you guys along to the car wash. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is what the car looks like beforehand. Ooh, Dad, say hi.
Hi.
Look at this car, we're gonna get it all clean. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, we're going in. Did you close the window?
Yes.
All right, good. I'm not about to get soaking wet from it.
Just gonna open the sunroof.
No, don't open the sunroof.
All right, you ready?
All right.
You ready, Wyatt?
It's not open the sunroof.
No.
Wyatt, are you scared?
Are you ready?
Almost open. Oh yeah.
The sunroof's not.
Sunroof is not open.
It's not open. Is it gonna start? Stop!
Back up.
Detergent pre-soak.
That a blinking red.
Oh, here it comes. Oh,
Scared me. Stop!
oh, look at those things spinning.
Tornado!
Oh, look at the back.
I can get a better video from outside the car.
Well, I'm not about to get out. It looks kind of weird over there. Oh, up the sunroof. Oh, look at that. You can't even see it. It's so dark. It's just flailing around.
It's beating me! The abuse! If we keep the windows down, then we don't have to shower tonight.
No!
Oh, why did it stop?
Because it goes
Is it
back.
done?
No.
Look,
How long does this take?
I don't know. A few minutes.
ready? Look, 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 look.
Oh, I see it
This
coming.
is like a toilet brush cleaner.
Oh, that's weird. Whoa!
There's a tornado!
Oh, it's going to the sunroof.
It's on Wyatt's head!
It's above us.
Wyatt goes to cover his head.
You can't even see it back there. It's so dark.
There it is!
Oh, I can't see it. It's back there. Is it gonna come back around to
This
the
is
front
like
again?
marriage. You just get beat.
Is it coming back to the front again?
Yes.
Or? Alright. I don't think I've ever been inside a car wash before.
Yes, you have.
I don't remember.
have. Several times growing up.
I don't remember.
She doesn't remember anything.
No, I don't remember. Is it coming back yet?
So you're
Oh,
very
it stopped.
excited about this experience?
It's kind of cool. Oh, it's just gonna slowly drag across the front. Oh, look at all that water is dripping down. Now what?
That's good.
Oh, now it's
All
rinsing.
comes running.
Rinse, rinse, rinse. How do you feel about this, Aiden?
Excited!
You are?
Yeah! I got it!
Here it comes again, the water. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Rubber ducky, you're the one.
Now,
Make a big-
drive forward. Oh, is this dry?
This is the blow dryer.
Oh, it's gonna dry us off now?
See, you're gonna
Sort
watch
of.
the water come
What
up.
does sort of mean?
Doesn't do the best job, but
What? Alright. Drive through slowly. Do not back up.
Do you feel like something's behind it, Ray?
Behind me?
There.
Oh, behind there? The way out?
Yeah.
Look, you see the water lifting up the window?
It's climbing. It's a nature now.
Yeah.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
That's actually kinda cool.
What you can do with that dog again. Spider-Man.
It won't focus on it. Oh, there.
If you can do with
No.
that dog again.
It won't focus on the water. I'm trying to show how cool it looks.
Two fans.
That looks kind of cool if I could get it to focus. not focusing on it. Oh well.
I see.
Oh, it's kind of dry. And we're out.
Blowing me away. They're blowing me away.
Blowing me away too. Woo! And this is what the car looks like now. Okay, this is the car after. Let's take a look around. Looks alright. It's still a little wet, but it looks alright. One thing I'll point out though, that did not get clean, is that there's still, if it will focus, can you guys see? I don't know. Is right there. Is still some bird poop that didn't come off. So, what's up with that? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Happy VEDIM, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.